Hiccups at home. Let's see how Noodle's family helps him feel better. It's a quiet morning at home. Noodle is sipping hot milk. Hic! "Oh no," says Mommy Rice. "You've got the hiccups." "Hic, hic," Noodle hiccups again. Daddy Dumpling says, "Hold your breath." Noodle tries, but hic. "Let's try a drink of warm water," says Mommy. Noodle takes a sip. Hic! "Hop on one foot." Noodle hops around the living room. Hic, hic. "Still hiccuping?" asks Daddy Dumpling. Mommy smiles. "I know what always helps." She gives Noodle a big warm hug. Noodle giggles. Hic, hic, hic. Then no more hiccups. Everyone cheers. Yay! "High five, Noodle! I'm happy again," says Noodle.